Hey guys, so it's Tisa, and I have this really great look for you guys today. Today we're going to be using Afrique by Juvia's Plays, and we're going to go in with a few colors. Now I did get inspiration, turned out really good, and I can't wait for you guys to see it. So definitely keep watching, it's going to be a blast. And this is just to celebrate Juneteenth. Today I got to hang out with some of my friends and we did like a little sip and paint, and I thought it would be nice to dedicate this look. So I got glue in my hands. We don't need that. But thanks guys for keeping this far into the video, and keep watching. Next clip.
$6.13. $6.13. 613. 613.
'Hey guys, so welcome back. this is pretty much the end result of what we did. I used the Afrique palette by Juvia's Place. So I went in with this color and for my transition, this color in my upper crease, and then I did a cut crease. In the middle we have yellow, and then in the middle we have orange, and in the wing at the outer corner we have blue. So I'm actually going to show you guys how I put my lashes on. Already a look. And we're gonna put on the other one. Complete the look and make it super duper cute. Let's throw some earrings in. To complete it, we got our lipstick on. So I just want to thank you guys for watching. I really hope that this video was kind of inspiring to you. Include the YouTuber who did inspire me, and I saw her video and I like immediately just saw the picture and was like, okay, I kind of get what I want to do. And I didn't want to do any liner for this look. I wanted it to just be all natural, just put the lashes and a nice little beat. But I had a lot of fun for my Juneteenth. And I really hope that this video was exciting for you to watch. I really hope you can't wait for the next one. And so I'm gonna just pretty much clean up my spot, but take this time. And subscribe. I hope you did it already. And you can like, you can leave comments. I love speaking to new people. I have an Instagram page that you can also follow and check out. I like to interact with people on there as well. And if you see my look, definitely post it. If you ever feel inspired, definitely record it and tag me and let me know how you revamp the look. And I'm excited to see what you guys think about this. But again, comment, like, and subscribe. Turn on your notification, okay? Turn it on. You need to know when I post, but I'm really excited for you guys to see what we have more in store. And as our equipment is coming, I got my new tripod. So again, thanks guys for watching, and I really hope you guys have a great day. And again, comment, like, and subscribe. See you guys.